Well, all I have to do is make that dream come true and I'll be fine. I'll do it for you, my little girl. Ooh, and I need that key to the executive washroom. Ooh.
I'm hungry.
Me too. I think I'll have a slice of pizza.
I think he's gone. What was that? It's my tummy. Whoa, stop it. You're gonna attract another predator. But I'm hungry. Will you please stop talking about food? Okay. I'm really hungry. Yeah, me too. I'm so hungry. I think I've started to digest myself. And there's no food around here for miles. Oh, yes, there is. What?
Oh, I always knew you guys had problems, but I never realized how bad it was.
Have you eaten today, son?
No, I haven't, but it's because... Oh! Just throw it away. Are you kidding me? Cheese and chocolate are two of my favorite things. Dude, stop! You clearly don't like it. My body just has to learn to like it. But this is total baguette! It is not for the best that you're forbidden to be who you really are. But there's no... Shh. What do you want me to do?
I guess I can run by the toy store. Your pizza will be there in 45 minutes.
I don't have 45 minutes. Faster!
Fine, if I skip my break, I can be there in half an hour. Fine, if I run the red lights, I can be there in 15 minutes.
That is acceptable.
Good evening. Our biggest story today is, of course, the sudden spike in random aggression in Elmore. To illustrate the situation, here's a pie chart.
Turn it off! Pie charts make me hungry!
Oh, where's the pizza? So hungry I'm beginning to digest myself. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. And though you hear my stomach rumble, I'll still make it back to Gumbo. Across. Hey, dude! You need to be the loser again. What the?
Gumbo! You need to get back to your old loser self!
Sir, could you keep your sound system down, please?
That's my stomach, officer! I'm so hungry! In fact, I'm so hungry I think I'm hallucinating. Wow, that was pointless. You're already a hot dog.